Don't you just love it when a plan comes together? We found the way home.
Alright, current situation is we got a truck.
Current situation is we stole a truck.
Yep.
I was fed up. I had enough. We had to go to drastic measures.
Drastic measures as in somebody driving 12 hours, we drive 5 and
then they had to get leased. Thanks to Jeff and Lindy of Best Today Ever.
yeah.
They had a Duramax available.
Yeah.
It's just uncanny how this all worked out. So we're going to try to just keep on with our plan, even though we canceled our next stop. We're going to try to contact them and see if we can't get back into that park up at Voyageurs National Park. So stay tuned. Well, we made it to Voyageurs National Park here in Minnesota after spending the night at the berry farm last night. It was pretty cool. We don't have a whole lot of time here because our schedule to get screwed up. So we lost 2 days here.
Yep.
But we're going to make the most out of today and tomorrow before we head on. So let's see what we can get into.
We're going to try to squeeze a hike in before the sun goes down.
We hope.
We hope.
It's the Blind Ash
Bay Trail.
Blind Ash Bay, yeah.
It's highly recommended by the ranger, so we're going to give it a go. This will be about the last one we can hike.
Yep.
For the
We got
week.
a full day tomorrow, so
Yep.
try to get this out of the way and get back before the bears get hungry.
Or a moose get angry.
We're testing our deep woods off. We're gonna head back. Try to get back before dark. So, wish us luck. So we made it back to the truck. 3.2 miles in just over an hour and 15 minutes.
Not even.
One thing I will say about this trail, if you want to do this trail, we've renamed it the Roots and Rocks Trail, because there is nothing but roots and rocks on the trail. You can't look up at all. So if you do this, just understand that and enjoy the hike.
It was worth it.
No.
All right, so we got another little hole to fill in. That's for Voyageurs.
So today we got a boat tour scheduled. It's a 6-hour boat tour. And we don't have a cooler with us, so we can't really take a lunch. So we're going to eat a really big breakfast. And they said there's a stop at like a hotel or something that has a place to grab lunch if they're open. And we're finding that Mondays and Tuesdays nothing's really open. So we're going to eat a really big breakfast before we head out to this boat tour. So we will see you on the boat. Yeah, we didn't forget coffee. Thank goodness. So we are about halfway through our tour. We did a 6-hour tour of the whole park. And basically the only way to see this park is through the water. There are no roads in the park.
Yeah.
Our guide, Bill, fantastic. He grew up here, lives here, has lived it his whole life. So we're getting pieces of information you probably wouldn't get from a normal guide.
We'll actually put the link in below.
They're called Border Guide Tours. So we'll give you the link down below. And
the amount of eagles, the bald eagles you're going to see is unbelievable.
They're all over this park. So beautiful scenery. The lake today, as Bill said, he said we only get 3 days like this a year, warm and calm. So it's actually been pretty nice. So.
Yeah, it's been beautiful weather.
All right, get back to the tour. This is always my dilemma. We've got to close for construction, and Joni just walks on out there. What do you do? I'm not a rule breaker. I don't know. Park, you have to do it from the water because it changes your perspective. Really cool. Okay guys, we're going to leave this video right here. We hope you enjoyed the video. We hope you enjoyed what you could see here at Voyageurs, but we're going to head on to our next destination. We got 2 Harvest Host nights Then we're going to Silver Lake Sand Dunes. We hope you could join us there, and happy glamping.